In a press release statement, the Naga Students Federation has expressed their concern at the Government of India appointed interlocutor for Naga peace talks and Governor of Nagaland R.N. Ravi alleged attempt to silence the voices of the Naga people and suppress rights through his recent directive to the Chief Secretary of Nagaland. The Federation has taken a serious note of the impugned directive and views the same as another attempt by the governor to undo the peace and understanding brought about by his predecessors. The Federation alleged that in singling an official, the governor intended to create fear psychosis amongst the state government employees by sending out a message that he has his eyes and ears planted deep within the Naga society in order to achieve his desired end of dividing the Naga people. Talking about the Indo-Naga peace talk, the Federation appalled at his various misconducts and misdemeanors. It was expected of him to truly understand and respect the unique history of the Naga people and accordingly work out mechanisms in the interest of the two entities, but the same is not figured out. Further, the Federation through a press release wanted to make it succinctly clear that the Naga people will not be cowered down by attempts to stifle their voices and belittle their legitimate rights, no matter the evil designs of the opposing forces, and reminded him that the Naga people's struggle for self-determination can in no way be treated as another secessionist movement. The Federation in good conscience cannot allow anyone to walk alone while upholding the righteous cause of the Naga people. Thereafter, the Federation stated their reaffirmation and commitment to uphold the Naga identity until their ultimate goal of sovereignty and integration is achieved. They ensured that the Naga political rights are not misplaced or tampered with by any forces until a negotiated solution in line with the unique history and situation of the Nagas is achieved with the Government of India. With Inzan Bemukhovung, Kohima.